Well, this next story is from our Only in Australia file. A crocodile decided it was up for an Australia Day adventure roaming the streets of northern WA. Locals couldn't resist the chance for a selfie or two, but it made some neighbours nervous. A police officer thought a towel might help subdue the animal. He was mistaken. The croc was eventually tranquilised and taken away. Well, to the weather now, and Tom, the stormy week continued right across New South Wales.
Nakari, storms fired up again today on the ranges and the coast, including here across the southern highlands. Now, for Sydney, it was a warm and sunny morning. Temperatures quickly climbed to the mid-30s away from the coast. Cloud then built up around lunchtime on the ranges west of Sydney, and storms followed through the afternoon. But the top fall so far, just 2 millimetres around Blacktown. Now, here is the radar. Storms peaked over the west, but they dissipated near the coast due to a stabilising sea breeze, although several intense cells have reached Wollongong, and a short time ago, severe storms were just moving off the Illawarra coastline. Now, here is the latest warning: wind, hail and a rain threat for parts of eastern New South Wales tonight. Now, the minimum of 21 for the city was 2 above average, and the maximum reached just below 30. That was 4 above average. Many suburbs, though, recorded their warmest day since last summer, including 34 at Parramatta and 36 at Bankstown. And while it was warm today, you'd hardly call it a scorcher. In fact, the last time Observatory Hill exceeded 35 degrees was Australia Day 2021. So how unusual is a 2-year spell below 35? Well, Sydney normally records at least a few days above 35 each year. And in 2017, there were 12 days. But the last time that we went 2 years below 35 was 115 years ago. Statewide minimums were warm across the north, but still cool along the southern ranges. Maximums were above average in most towns. Cobar's 42 and Burke's 44 were the hottest days in 2 years. On the satellite, clear skies this morning over New South Wales quickly became stormy during the afternoon. The storms are forming to the east of this trough line, and again tomorrow we'll have thunderstorms east of that trough. So around the country on Friday, cloudy in Canberra, a hot 37 in Adelaide. For the northeast, another warm and humid day with a high chance of showers and thunderstorms for the north coast and ranges, and a medium chance for the Hunter. The risk of severe storms in all districts apart from the Hunter coastline. For the southeast, a cooler day with a slight chance of a shower near the coast, and still the risk of showers and storms for the central tablelands. Across the west tomorrow, another hot day up to 41 in the northwest and 39 in Coonamble. The chance of showers and severe thunderstorms for the northwest slopes and plains and the upper central west slopes and plains. On the waters, winds 15 to 25 knots and seas of just 1 to 1.5 metres. For Sydney, still a risk of a storm tonight as a southerly change arrives. A cloudy and cooler day tomorrow with a shower or two. Temperature range 21 to 27 for the city, 24 in Bondi. The sun will rise at 6:10 a.m. and further ahead, warm northerly winds returning on Saturday, 30 for the city, 36 in the west, warm with a high chance of showers and storms on Sunday, then showers and storms continuing through next week, Nakari.
Thanks, Tom. Well, that's all from ABC News. Up next is the Australia Day live concert.